Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're passionate about creativity, sustainability, and beautiful home decor. Don't forget to subscribe and join our community for inspiring ideas, DIY tips, and eco-friendly craft projects. Stay tuned and let's create stunning, sustainable spaces together. Today, we explore repurposed wood, turning discarded or old wood into stunning decor pieces. This eco-friendly trend combines creativity with sustainability, transforming scraps into functional art. Reclaimed wood offers unique textures, knots, and weathered finishes that add rustic charm. By repurposing wood, we reduce waste and support environmental conservation. Whether in furniture or decor accents, upcycled wood brings warmth and character to any space. Join us as we dive into inspiring ideas that make sustainability stylish and personal. Reclaimed wood is durable, environmentally friendly, and full of character. It reduces the demand for new timber, helping conserve forests. Each piece has a story, marked by knots, grains, and imperfections, that adds authenticity. Additionally, it's cost-effective, often cheaper than new materials. Reusing wood minimizes energy consumption during production and reduces waste. Its natural weathered look enhances rustic, vintage, or industrial decor styles. Choosing reclaimed wood reflects eco-consciousness while creating unique, high-quality decor pieces that stand out in any home. Reclaimed wood is perfect for crafting rustic furniture like tables, chairs, and shelves. Old pallets and barn wood can be transformed into beautiful, sturdy pieces. The weathered textures and natural imperfections give each item a distinct character. DIY projects include making coffee tables, headboards, or storage units. Finishing touches like sealing or staining customize the look to match your style. These furniture pieces are durable, eco-friendly, and full of charm. They also tell a story, giving your home a warm, vintage feel that's both stylish and sustainable. Using reclaimed wood for wall decor creates a warm, textured ambience. Wooden slices, planks, or assembled art pieces showcase natural grains and weathering. Carved or painted designs on salvaged wood add a personal touch. Wooden photo displays or geometric wall art enhance interior aesthetics. This decor style emphasizes sustainability and natural beauty. It's a simple, affordable way to add character to any room. Plus, each piece is eco-friendly, making your home both stylish and responsible. Reclaimed wood wall decor truly brings nature indoors. Reclaimed wood lends itself beautifully to lighting fixtures. Wooden pendant lamps, chandeliers, or candle holders add warmth and rustic elegance. The natural textures create cozy, inviting atmospheres. For DIY projects, you can assemble wooden shades or bases with minimal tools. Sealing and finishing protect the wood and prolong its life. These handcrafted fixtures are eco-friendly and personalized, perfect for kitchens, living rooms, or outdoor spaces. They combine functionality with artistry, showcasing the beauty of salvaged wood while reducing environmental impact. Old crates and pallets are versatile upcycling materials. They can become storage solutions, plant holders, or even furniture like benches and coffee tables. Staining or painting enhances their appearance, fitting different decor styles. Pallets can be disassembled into planks for custom furniture or left intact for large pieces. These projects are budget-friendly, easy to do, and environmentally beneficial. Using discarded wood for functional items reduces waste and adds rustic charm. They are perfect for creating personalized, sustainable decor that's both practical and stylish. Reclaimed wood is ideal for artistic creations. Sculptures, carved panels, or decorative wall hangings showcase craftsmanship and natural beauty. Artists emphasize grains, knots, and weathered textures to create statement pieces. These artworks add personality and cultural richness to interiors. Handmade wooden sculptures support local artisans and promote sustainability. They often serve as focal points, blending aesthetics with environmental responsibility. Incorporating artistic reclaimed wood pieces transforms your space into a gallery of eco-conscious creativity. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and interest in sustainable, creative decor ideas. Be sure to subscribe to stay updated with our latest DIY projects and eco-friendly tips. Your support helps us grow and continue sharing inspiring, sustainable craft inspiration with everyone.